What vertebrate lived the longest? The oldest living tortoise is 190 years old. Bowhead whales are the longest living mammals. They easily live past 100 years. From old photos and harpoon tips found in its body, one was identified as 200 years old. The rough-eye rockfish is threatened with extinction. Without man's interference, it could live 205 years. The Greenland shark cannot reproduce until age 50. It is pregnant for 8 to 18 years, a recipe for extinction. Their lifespan is estimated to be 270 to 390 years, with one possibly living over 500.